Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in jazz blue. I do really love the color. You do have the chrome accenting up front on the grille with your Dodge logo. You also have your halogen headlights right there. And coming all the way around to the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Yokohama brand tires. They look great and the rims look very nice. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have our SXT badging, our Dodge and our Grand Caravan with our backup camera right there. Open it up just like this. Looks great back here, lots of room. You do have the additional storage right there, and it is stow and go seats. All you gotta do is follow the instructions. So number 1 is right here. Number 2 is down here. Pull that guy. 3 is right here, and 4 is right here. Folds that right into the floor like that. Then you got lots of room. You can do the same with the front. Then you got even more room. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting here. Handle with a nice leather to put your arm on. Some storage here and some more down there. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable, very soft and nice. Do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. Then over here we do have the controls over lights, so the on, the off, the daytime running lights, and we do have our low beams as well. You do also have your in-cabin light control here, and right up here we do have the controls over windshield wipers and our turning signals and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers that we're going right there. And we do also have our liters per 100 kilometers. We have our temperature outside, how many kilometers we have, 1,600, not very many at all. You do also have your trip A and trip B, then your distance till empty and back to your kilometers. That is controlled from right here. You do also have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have volume up and down. And right here, we do have our gear shift. When you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. We do have our touchscreen display right here. So we do have our Bluetooth options up here, our radio with our AM and FM. We also have our media tab here if we have one hooked up. You also have a hard disk drive in here, so you can load music right onto the into the car, and then it will play off there. You got your CD player right back there. Then over here we do have our menu. You have your audio options, your files, and then you do have your USB and aux cord plug-in right there. Then down here we do have our climate control, so we do have where it's going to blow out of. We have the heat up and down. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You do have the power up and down. You have the rear climate controls right here. Defrost is over here. Then we have our econ mode. We have our hazard lights. That's the button for the outlet. Then you do also have your traction control. Down here we do have some storage. You have some cup holders right there and some more storage down there with our cup holders right there as well. And then you also have a top layer for your glove box and your bottom layer right there. It is locking, so in case anyone breaks in, it'll be nice and safe. Then you do also have your sunglass holder with a little mirror right there. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. Lots and lots of room back here. It does look fantastic. You do also have your DVD player right up here. Press that button, that folds down. Looks great. You do have your rear climate control right there as well. And then you do have stow and go seats here. So all you gotta do is pull this guy here. Fold this up. And then you just gotta pull this here. And it folds right into the floor like that. Then you can fold that over top and it's out of the way. You can do that with the other side and the back as I showed you earlier. Then you do have some cup holders back here, and it does seat 6 people all together. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.